Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. It's been a while, right? I returned about a couple weeks ago, saying that I'm back, and then I went MIA again. But see, those were sit down videos, so now I'm attempting to vlog again. I love vlogging, and I haven't vlogged in like for YouTube in like 1 to 2 years, so I'm gonna attempt it again and see how it goes. So wish me luck, wish me all the best, and I hope you guys will enjoy the vlogs. So in the previous video I did a life update, a mini life update, so you can check those out. So it's about 3 o'clock now or so, and I'm supposed to go on the road. It's Thursday, January 16. Yeah, Thursday, January 16. I'm supposed to collect a package, and so I'm gonna take you guys along. I will do my best to take you guys along, so stick around for the video. I hope you guys will enjoy this vlog, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. When I come back home, I should be cooking dinner, so we'll see. Well, how have you guys been? How's the new year? Still a new year. It's just 16 days, so it's still a new year. How are you guys? How have you guys been? I hope you guys have been working on your 2025 goals. I've been trying to work on mine, but it's, would I say it's a struggle? Something like that, because if you guys don't know, I'm a freelancer, and so I'm an online freelancer. But there are times when I try to post on my business page, and the next time it just fall right off, like with this channel as well. So but the good thing is I try to evaluate myself, see where I'm going wrong, and then try to pick up from there. So I'm trying to get back into the groove of things, because as business owners, sometimes we tend to get complacent, and so that's not what we want, right? In order for us to achieve our goals, if you see me holding up my hand, I become my hand tired already. In order for us to achieve our goals, we must work towards them. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Yeah, so let's see how this vlog goes, shall we? Let's see. So guys, I'm going to try to find something to wear. No, so let's see what I can come up with. Let me try to put you guys on my tripod so it can be more manageable to vlog. Alright guys, so I'm going to try to get some. I'm using the front camera now because I want to see myself. I'm gonna try to find something to wear. I think I have a jeans that I plan to wear. Where is it? I got it off Shein a few weeks ago, and since that, it's like every time I just a black jeans in my wear. I'm gonna show you. Hold on. This is the jeans. If you see me, have something I need to hurry up, This is the pants. Yeah. So I'm gonna wear these jeans and this. Let me see. I'm just gonna just quickly run my errand, because I don't want to be I don't want to have it to do tomorrow, and I'm going to go grocery shopping. I'm gonna put my black blouse. I'm gonna take passport size photos, so you can't take in anything, but if I wear the right top, I expect them to have something to give me. Where is it? Hold on. I expect them to have. Alright, I wear this. I never really feel like wear that blouse, but sure, I don't know how much I'm gonna do. Because I'm using the front camera, so it show backward. But this is a blouse that I got from Shein as well. So that's what I'm gonna wear. I'm gonna take a bath now, and then we get cracking. By 4 o'clock I should be ready and out the door, and I just look a bit past 3, so that's not hard, right? Let me get a bra on these. And a towel. Yeah, let me go take a bath now. So come. Guys, I just remembered that. Oh, I think that was too close to my face. Guys, I just remembered that I have to do something on my laptop as I need to print something before I go to Christina. So may I contemplate if I'll get to reach on time, but I'm going to try. But I did really want to collect my package and the place closed at 5. Maybe just print what I have and just call it a day. We'll see. Alright, so I'm gonna pull up my laptop and see what I can get done as soon as possible. Alright guys, and let me if you drop down that. I don't think it's preventing you guys from seeing me. So let's see. Alright, so we need to quickly pull up the laptop. I'm just gonna go on what I'm supposed to print and see. Should I do this long time, you know? After 3. I think I might not do it today. We might just wait till tomorrow. Because as I say, me no want time catch up on me. So we might just wait till tomorrow. But really don't get my package. Hold on, I'll call my husband find out if he can pick it up. Because I don't think I'll go Christina today. I'm just going to wait until tomorrow. So that way I just never want to do it on the day when I go to the supermarket, but it's fine. I don't think I want to go today. I go just go tomorrow. Go do that and then go to supermarket. So I just know so I have to go earlier because sometimes, to be honest, I go to Christina late. So I go just try to do that tomorrow instead of today. Even though I never want to have a video tomorrow, but it's fine. We just have to put everything together from now and then get the ball rolling. So yeah, that's that. I have some clothes to fold up. I think I'm gonna just let me check the farm and then let me check the farm that I have and see what else I can fill out on it so I can print it. I don't want to open this like this. Open Google Chrome. Okay, there we go. So guys, I'm gonna go check to see how the farm stays, even if we can add nothing else to it before I print it. If not, I'll just leave it as is and then print it. Because I don't want to make no mistake. Guys, I feel hungry. Hold on, let me call my husband. I need to tell him to buy saltfish because I want to cook saltfish with baked bean. I only did the baked bean because he wants it, but me prefer with the fried saltfish just wrap like that. Even though I don't have any tomato, I don't know if I'm gonna do that. But anyways, I'm going to cook. I'm gonna call him to try make him buy the saltfish so I can cook yam dumpling and saltfish because me get yam a day before yesterday, thank God. One of them day. So I can cook yam dumpling and saltfish. I'm glad to see because up here rice. I mean alone I love rice. Me used to love it, you know, but I guess me eat too much rice and now when me get piece of yam it's like yeah. That me want as me get it, me cook it. And the only reason why I never cook it already is because the day when me get it, him did end up carry yam, so me end up cook pea soup. But no, me need the yam. So now the pea soup done. We drink the last night this morning. Literally served me 2 days. So me need to get the saltfish because my cook yam dumpling and saltfish. Yeah, so let me call him. Alright guys, change of plans. So Yeah, so I feel like if one lean. So my husband won't be able to collect the package. I hope that better. And it kind of shake. Sorry for the shaking, guys. So my husband won't get to collect the package. He never remember. Plus, him thinks that me dog go to Christina go collect it. Cause me have other stuff to do, so me just go collect it. But no change of plan. Me just call upon him so much sudden for do it. So I'm not get to do it now. I want it today. So it's like no matter you order packages, if I don't order often, well, me order kind of often from with you. But no matter I mean one stay so like no matter me order packages, even though me know what in there whatever, me just want to get it. Me I go to Christmas tomorrow, but me just can't wait. I mean I can't wait, but y'all get what I mean. So I call one of the girls there. She lives close to me in my community that works there to pick it up for me. Yeah, because she did offer to do it with you, but me didn't not go for it. Yeah, so me not take up on the offer now. So me call her, beg her pick it up. She's not at work, but she's supposed to go out there go pick up her packages. So she's gonna pick it up for me, and then my husband I go just call it for her and give her money. Hee. Somebody just passed. And then the saltfish a peak hours now, so you can go get fish stock for that. So I guess me I go buy up a shop. I'm not like that because obviously they're more expensive, but I salvage more. I may have other things can cook, you know, chicken food, whatever. But I just couldn't do like curry chicken food because even though eat certain other meat like chicken also. Some of the curry chicken food with the yam and the dumpling, but more on the saltfish. Yeah. So I think me have to go up a shop go buy the saltfish. Which as me say me never want to do, but me want this. I don't like buy a shop, guys. I don't like to buy a shop. The last time I buy a shop how long? I don't even remember because I normally try to get all the stuff that I want when I go to the supermarket. So I don't have to go a shop. And if my sister me go run out me top up, so I don't have to go a shop. But anyways, only in cases that is really want the saltfish, and instead of go make him stop off by road and buy it, I go just buy it up a shop. So I'm gonna take you all to the shop with me. I think I go buy it now because right now I feel really hungry, so I go buy it now and come back, come start cook. And then by after 4 I'm supposed to get my package, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got, so stay tuned. So you might not, the vlog might not turn out how me did say it will turn out like if you go on the tone today, but we might continue the vlog tomorrow or might start a new vlog. Okay, yeah, we'll see. So I'm put on the laptop, go shop and come back. Guys, guess what? Me literally my husband just called me and say must come for it. So I end up buy it, thank God. So I shopping buy it, more than likely. I guess I shopping buy it. As literally just call him. So I guess I want shopping stuff and buy it. But at least me not feel. So I get this saltfish. And what is this? Oh, I think give me a few things in. Yeah, so that is that. So thank God I'm not bother go shop go buy a saltfish. So I'm gonna start cooking now. Let's cook dinner. Maybe I go do no. I was gonna do all of it, but I'm not bother. I just do this have to work. It kinda thin, you know, guys, but it have to work. I might do saltfish shreds with this fish tomorrow. I'm gonna wash it off. Wash out some of the salt, because if you do a saltfish, that means if it's salt, so. Alright guys, so I have some clothes to fold, not a lot, just a few, you know, like when you wash it, you take out most of them and then some still leave, so I have them in the settee. So I'm gonna fold them up now and put them away. And then after I'm finished, I'm going to knead the dumpling and put up the yam. Let that go and cook. I'm hungry, you know, guys. Honestly, I'm hungry. I am hungry, man. See, I never much of those few pieces because most of them fall up already from the day before. So I take up them yesterday actually, and they've been in the city since that. They've been in there since that. So I don't love fall up clothes. I'm sure I know me want to stay so, but I try to just get them out of the way so they won't just stay in the city. Even though nobody not really come here, but anyways. Just try to get them out of the way from now. I'm honestly hungry. How much time is that now since I start the vlog here? Guys, next problem that I have is storage. So you see when I done this now, one something for upload it, for download it, export it from CapCut, because I think I'm going to use CapCut edit. I used to use KineMaster when I just started YouTube. Where's the clothespin pan? Hold on. I used to use my clothespin pan. I used to use KineMaster when I just her basket, that whole pan basket. I used to use KineMaster when I just started YouTube a few years ago, but I now use it again. I use CapCut. The last two videos that I uploaded, I used CapCut. And they did not have the watermark, but I think since that is like the watermark, depending on you have to pay. So I never really want to pay for CapCut yet still, but we'll see. I might just pay for it and done. I can't wait to get my package. I may have go free up more space, and that sometimes I know about that vlog, you know, because the amount of clip may have no. I go free up some space. So me do is me delete them from my storage. I go bring these around the room. I delete them from my storage. From let me talk say I delete them from my gallery from my phone because there are a lot of them on my Google Photos. So that's what I do. So that way me won't, you know, me can get like a space and they are destroyed. Because me love keep memories, you know, guys. I love to keep memories, so me might have a lot of memories. Me have a lot, thousands, not hundreds, thousands of pictures and videos. Even from me have videos and pictures from 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016. That's like more than guys, look at the big piece. Look at the big piece of yam that my friend gave me. I don't know if the camera is doing it any justice, but it's a good size yam. So guys, the yam is inside and the dumpling. Let that go and cook while I wait on my package. So So in the meantime, I'm gonna plug in my phone because it's at almost 20%. So once I get the package, I can vlog that. Yeah. Mr. Guys. Why? My husband just bring the package come. Yay! Excited-ish. I don't have a lot of storage, so let me quickly show you what I got. And of course, it's some Shein. Alright, so the first thing is this jacket for my husband. This is a hoodie jacket. This is nice. Time is cold, so I need another jacket. I have one, but this will be warmer. So I'm hoping I see it. Yeah. This hoodie. And it has the pockets. It has the pockets. Yeah, nice. That's one. Alright guys, so next item is this dress. Alright, I'm glad I never take the 2X because this 1X. So it's a sleepwear, guys. So hope you guys can see. This is nice. Yeah, I don't know 90 purse about them cute, so I'm like, why not? And it's not the regular one they wear, just it's a fine strap, so that me can't take over clothes. So this is good. And this is 1X. Yeah, I'm glad I never take the 2X because look how big this is. Okay, these are the bonnets. I've been wanting these bonnets for some time now, the long bonnets. So I could fit my braid. The head look so. Try it on right now. Okay, not even put in it fully. At least the head fits it good. And then it ties here and set of two. So it's a pink and it's a black. And then we have this top. I like the writing on it, that's why I took it. It says, Jesus saved my life. Nice. It kind of feels thin though, but it's pretty. It's good. And I took 1X. I normally buy 1X in my tops from Shein. XL. This is XL. So that's that. Oh, first me buy household things. Nothing me buy household. Mostly clothes me buy from Shein. So this is something fee cut like Irish and stuff. I need next time I need one garlic crusher because I cut garlic, grate a garlic often. So that's that for that. Feel nice and firm. And then this. This is another blouse. I think the color that go dark kind of. The color is fine, you know. And it look big. What? I'm sure XL me take. It should fit in a but it look bigger than what I did expect. 1X. You know, my husband right when him say XL is different from 1X because I don't know, me kind of think I see anything. But this is 1X. Maybe me couldn't take 0X. It look wide, man. And the color is dark. I'm going to say we can maybe insert the picture of the actual one that I chose. The color on the website looks darker, but it's nice, no, but never expect that color. Oops. Ooh, looks like I'm. Oh, me I almost think I spoil up, you know. I hope not see. You have some yellow something on the almost like. Let me realize your style. This white man. But see, 1x, me take 1x. This is wide. I wish if you did look color. What? Sure. Them did know. Me take. Next time I go start the 0XL. But it should still be okay because me do. So, I hurry up and make honest now one the time run out. Oh, I saw this wide. I think the one here have a cabbage. Watch ya. Look rusty. I love how you look. I don't even know can see it. But you know look so good. Make it easy for rust. Anyways, that's that. What is this? This is a shirt. Oh. Yay! This is my shirt from my husband. Good quality. Very good quality. Yeah. Very good. I hope I see them good. Very good quality. This is another blouse. The color look a bit slightly different from me. I said guys, may I record and I know say something cut off because the battery, the storage finished. So I was showing you guys this stuff. And I just say kind of color look a bit different but it's nice. So this is for church. Yeah. And I think because I had to rewatch the video to see what wasn't shown in it, what I thought was shown, what that didn't show. So you see the shirts. Okay, so the final thing that I was showing you guys that they didn't show in the video because something cut off is this two-piece sleepwear. So I got two sleepwear, a dress one and this. And this is cute. So I took 1x in it. I could have taken, no, I took 2x. I could have taken 1x. So based on how it fits, me might take that next time or whatever. But I tried to rotate the sizes. And the shirt is nice. Waist feel good. It look big, but it might fit. I might say it look big, but when I put it on and my body big, yeah, it might fit just fine. But this is cute. I plan to get more. Yeah, so I think that's it. So in all I got 11 items. Yeah, and everything is good. I mean, I have no regrets. It's a lot disturbingly, no. Yeah, just like the color we never expect from the blouse here and so. But apart from that, everything is good. I'm gonna try them on. And sorry guys, I not think I go show them. I try them on. You can't bother because I think I try them on right now. And the video is getting long. I feel like I'm going to split the video, maybe not. But it'll give me one healthy feed exported from CapCut. So, yes guys, that's it for this haul. Hope you enjoyed. I'm going to show you my food, but I'm going to close out the video. And then after that, we see the food. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend that I'm back. Sorry. We need some water. Yes, and see you next time in another video, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye guys.